Okay, so we've got a little bit of content on our site. We don't have the images, but this is not going to be what's going to be shown on our homepage when we get done. So I'll tell you what, let's do now. In the package that you get, the hunting package, you're going to get videos. Okay, so they've done a good job of creating some videos for us. So if in your package you'll see you'll have all these videos. So I'll tell you what, let's do. Let's start adding these videos. We'll add them to our product review category. We'll add the video. And then some information about the product, and then a call to action. But so one thing about adding videos, you have to have them hosted somewhere. So if you have an Amazon S3 account, you can upload them there. If not, you're probably going to be uploading to YouTube, but to do that, you need to make these videos unique. So if we're going to upload these videos to YouTube, which that's what we will do because we're going to try to rank these videos on YouTube also, we need to make these videos unique. So the process that we're going to go through now is um, making the video unique. Okay, once we make it unique, we're going to upload it to YouTube. Once it's uploaded to YouTube, we're going to make a new post in the product review category, put that video on the post, put the information about the product, and then a call to action button. So let's go ahead and get started. The easiest way to do this with a free program is you can use Movie Maker if you want, or you can grab our new video maker, audio video maker. But so you can use either one of those. Audio Video Maker is good for making videos from scratch. So let's just say we need to make these videos unique, so we're going to use Movie Maker. Movie Maker is free. Windows Live Movie Maker, you can download it. You have to download it if you have a Windows 8 machine, but it's free. So let's go ahead and open Movie Maker and start getting these videos ready to upload. Okay, so once you have Movie Maker open, we're going to go ahead and start with the first video. So we're going to click the button that says Add Videos and Photos. So we're going to navigate to our downloads here, and we're going to go into the folder for the videos, and let's just start from the very first and work our way through. So we're going to start with this video, so I'm going to highlight it and then click open, and it'll put it here. You'll see all the frames for the video. So now what we need to do is make this unique. So what we're going to do is just add a title frame. So we're going to click on title. Okay, and here we're going to put something here that will make it unique. So we're just going to type in something, product review by Shane Paxton, product review by your name, or anything you want. Okay, so we're going to add that as the first frame there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a closing frame. We're going to add a closing frame just like that at the very end of the video. So we're going to go ahead and click on title again, and you'll see that it puts it right next to the first frame, but we'll move it. Okay, so we're just going to put thank you for watching, something. Something like that. We'll put a little call to action at the end of the video. Remember, the purpose of this is to make the video unique. So we'll click OK. Or just click off of it, and now we got to move this to the end. So I'm just going to click and drag and move that to the very end. Okay, so now we're ready to produce the video. If we push play, you'll see that it brings up this first frame and then moves into the content of the video, and then it will play. It's very loud. So then it'll play the last frame. Okay, so now we can save the movie or produce the movie by clicking on Save Movie, and then usually you can just put recommended for this project or high definition display, whatever you'd like. And we're going to save it. So if we go back and let's find a place to save it. So I'm just going to go back in the folder, and what I'll do is click here. Okay, so it'll bring up the name of this video, and I'm just going to call it edited. Okay, so that'll be our first video, and it'll create the video for us, and here in a minute we can upload it to YouTube. While that's creating that video, let's go ahead and work on adding the post. Okay, so we're going to go to post and then add new. Okay, so for our title, let's go back to our folder, and we're just going to grab this title because this is the product title. So I'm just going to kind of click on it and then copy this product title, come back to my post and paste it in here. Okay, and then we'll end up putting in our video in the content here. So Movie Maker will tell you when it's completed, and then you can just click on close, and then we'll be ready to start on the next video. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Amazon and get some images for this product. So on Amazon, I'm going to paste the title of that product here and then just click go. Okay, so it brings us to this product. I'm going to click on the link here, and I'm just going to copy this image. Okay, and I'll put it into an images folder. So what I'd probably do is create a folder called product images. Okay, and then I'll go in and put them in this folder. But I'm going to create another folder. Name that folder the name of the product. Okay, and put the image, I'll just call it 1, into that folder. Okay, so now we got an image. Let's go back to our post and let's go ahead and add a featured image to this. Okay, so we'll scroll down. Let's go ahead and make sure we set the correct category. We don't want it in uncategorized. We're not putting in our featured articles, and we're not putting it actually into our store. We're going to put it into our product reviews category. Let's add a featured image. Let's go ahead and select the file. Okay, let's go to our product images folder we created, and this is the product. So we're going to add this image. Click open. Okay, so this is a very important step that you do not want to miss. We need to make sure and fill out this information for SEO purposes. Okay, so the alt text title, we can put in our title. This is the name of the product, and we can go ahead and put it in the alt text if you want. You can use a different kind of alt text, but your alt text needs to have your keyword, and your title needs to have your keyword, and then you want to put in a description that has your keyword also. Okay, so now it's time to go ahead and upload the video to YouTube. Now this is a very important step, and it has to be done right if you're looking to rank the video on YouTube. So this is a very important step. I'm going to kind of show you how to do it really quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to YouTube. Okay, so we're on YouTube. Let's go ahead and select the file to upload. Okay, so here's the edited video we created. So we're just going to click open. Now we need to make sure and do this correctly. Okay, so your tags are going to be just like keywords. Your title needs to have the keyword in the title, so we want to take that out. And so if your keyword is Goose Call Reviews, okay, so you want to make sure your keyword is in the title, and then we're going to put our keyword at least once in the description. And what I'm going to do, I would say another keyword would be Goose Calls. I'm just going to put an S at the very end of this, and let's go ahead and just put. So we put in something. If you're looking for the best Goose Calls reviews and the best prices on Goose Calls, please visit the link below. Now we want to make sure our keywords are in our tags. Now you'd want to go ahead and put some more tags here, but you can get the idea. Now once this is uploaded to YouTube, we'll be ready to put it on our post. And make sure you click on publish if you want to publish the video, because it'll save it as a draft. Okay, so now we got a URL to our video. Now we need to go back and take a look at putting it onto our post. Now if you have a video plugin or a YouTube plugin that you like to use, you use it here. But now let's just say that you don't have a video plugin, you don't have anything to actually insert the videos into your editor. I'm going to show you a plugin real quick. So we're just going to go to plugins, but we're going to open this up in a new window. Don't close this out. So we'll go to plugins and then add new and open a new window. So we're just going to do a search for Nice YouTube, and there's a bunch of them, but there's just one that's pretty easy to use. So we're going to click on search plugins. Now before you install Nice YouTube Lite, go ahead and click on details. And what you want to do is copy this short code. Okay, just put that on a notepad somewhere because you're going to need it. So we're going to copy that. on the page you can see that it's showing better, but it's showing the featured image on the single page, so we're going to go ahead and take that off. So let's go to Gazette theme options, and I think we go into dynamic images, and we're going to disable single post. That way it don't show the image. So we're going to click on save. Okay, let's go reload this post and see how it looks now. Okay, so that's better. Let's go ahead and play the video. You can see the video here. It's going to be loud, so I'll turn it off here in a minute. So you can see our first frame. You can see that everything's fine. We need to go in and take this off, okay, and finish this post. So back on the post page, we're going to highlight that and we're going to delete that. And then we need to put some information, and then we need to put a call to action. Okay, so let's just get ready to put in our call to action. Okay, I'm going to give you some Amazon buy buttons that you can use. So what I'm going to do now is upload one of those, and then I'll make sure and give you the download link. So we're going to click on Add New Media. We're going to upload files. So we're going to upload a call to action, and we'll just use one of these buttons and click Open. Okay, and let's just go ahead and insert that into the post. I think I put it, let's just delete that and start over. Now we have a buy button, but we need to get our Amazon affiliate link for this product. You want to make sure you're logged into your Amazon Associates account, and let's go ahead and get our affiliate link for that product. Let's go back to our post. Let's go ahead and get this product title again, and we're going to go back to Amazon and do another search for it, and then click OK. And we'll go back and click on the product. Okay, so what we're going to do is click on link to this page. Okay, it's going to bring this up, and what we're going to do is click on text only. Okay, now we need to come down and we're just going to grab the link. Okay, the link is all we need, and that goes all the way down to your Amazon ID. Okay, just like that, and you're just going to copy that. Let's come back to our post. We're going to click on this image, and then we're going to click link. We're going to delete that, paste that there. We're going to come back to where we got the link, and we're going to copy this title, go back to our post, paste that title in, and we'll go ahead and open it up in a new tab and then click update. Okay, now let's go ahead and click on publish. So let's just take a look at it. We'll open our site up in a new tab, and you'll see that that is our product review. Now remember, we didn't put any text on it, so you can do that if you like. And if you click on this, okay, it has our video and our buy button. Now you can do many things with this. Okay, so you can do anything that you need to different if you'd like, but this is how you can use the videos in your package and put them on your site and add your affiliate link to them. Now what you would normally do is that affiliate link that we got, okay, this affiliate link, I like to track these, so I use a plugin called let's see, what was it? Let me think here. Pretty Link Lite. Okay, so I use Pretty Link Lite, and I will make a pretty link of the link here, okay, and that way I can track the clicks on it. Okay, so we'll probably do that in the next video. I hope this helps, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.